Very good morning, children. Today we will start our session with the tenses. A tenses is what? It is a category that express time reference with the reference to the moment of speaking. Tenses क्या है? Tenses आपका किसी भी वाक्य के किसी भी क्रिया के होने के समय को बताता है, मतलब कि कोई काम किस वक्त हुआ। और ये जो है बोलते समय जो हम बोलते हैं उसके जो रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं अपने थॉट्स को, उससे पता लगता है, उसके रेफरेंस में बताता है कि किस वक्त कोई कार्य हुआ। टेंसेस इज फर्दर क्लासिफाइड इनटू थ्री मेन टाइप्स: प्रेजेंट टेंस, पास्ट टेंस, future tense. Now in this video we'll learn about present tense. Okay, so let's move on. Present tense is what? It shows an action taking place in present time. In a simple way you can say present tense एक ऐसा टेंस है जो कोई भी एक्शन, कोई भी वर्ब, कोई भी क्रिया किस वक्त प्रेजेंट टेंस में हुई उसको दर्शाता है. So look at the example we have. Sunita is cooking food. Now further the present tense is classified into four subtypes, that is simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Now we'll learn about simple present tense. So simple present tense is what? It is also called present indefinite. It expresses the action within which happens regularly. बेसिकली आपका जो ये प्रेजेंट टेंस है वो ऐसे एक्शन को दर्शाता है जो रेगुलरली हो या फिर यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ से रिलेटेड हो. सो इसका बेसिक रूल क्या है? सब्जेक्ट प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस एस एन ई एस और ई एस प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. सो and make this sure, note one thing, that you have use s and es with he, she and it only. Okay, now look at the example we have. They watch television regularly. She only eats fruit. So these are the that an action happens in present times, and the first one shows what? The regular habit. Okay, now we'll learn how to change it, how to form sentence negative, how to form negative sentence in present simple present tense. So look at the rule we have: subject plus do does plus not plus v1 plus object. So uh, along with I, you, we, they, you're supposed to use do not, and with he, she, it, you're supposed to use does not. So what? Let's look at this example. They do not write television, no sorry, they do not watch television regularly. And the second is what? She doesn't eat fruits. Now we'll learn how to form interrogative sentence in simple present tense. So what basic rule you need to follow? Do does plus subject plus first form of verb plus object plus question mark. So look at the example we have. Do they watch television regularly? And the second one, does she eat fruit? Remember one thing, do is used with what? I, you, we, they, and does is used with he, she and it. Now let's move on to present continuous tense. Present continuous tense shows an action happening at the time of speaking. So what is the basic rule you need to follow while writing present continuous tense? प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस जो है आपका कोई भी एक्शन जो है बोलते समय जो कोई एक्शन हो रहा हो उसको शो करने के लिए किया जाता है. इसका बेसिक रूल है सब्जेक्ट प्लस इज एम आर प्लस वी वन प्लस आई एन जी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. नाउ लुक एट द एग्जांपल. राम इज प्लेइंग फुटबॉल एंड दे आर गोइंग टू शिमला, and the next one is I am doing my work. So simply while the time I was speaking, you can see that they are still playing at the time of speaking. It means it shows really. Now we'll learn how to write negative sentence. Simply you can write negative sentence, and what you need to follow in it. Look at the rule: subject plus is mr plus not plus v1 plus ing plus object. So Ram is not playing football. It's a negative sentence. We have simply added not with it. They are not going to Shimla. वो जो है शिमला नहीं जा रहे हैं. And I am not doing my homework. This is what? It's a negative sentence. And remember one thing, that is used with the singular he, she, it. Am is used with the I, and they are is used with the plural they, we. Okay. Now we'll learn how to write interrogative sentence, what rule you need to follow to write interrogative sentence in present continuous tense. Is more plus subject plus v1 plus object plus question mark. This is the basic rule you need to follow. Is Ram playing football? Are they going to Shimla? Am I doing my homework? So this is all about present continuous tense. In the next session we'll learn about present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. Okay, thank you children.